Hey everybody, I'm Julia Gonzales. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're in Waikiki. Oh, it's just so beautiful. And I am gonna take you through the best things to do while visiting. So come along, we have a lot to do.
In today's video, we're showing you the 7 things you absolutely can't miss when in Waikiki. From iconic views and hidden local traditions to beach time, ocean adventures, and the perfect place to end the day. Come along to see what you can't miss when visiting Waikiki. Hi, I'm Julia. Welcome. I share realistic travel itineraries and the best food spots to help you plan your trips. So if you love knowing what to do and where to eat when you travel, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button to never miss a new adventure. We're showing you the 7 things you can't miss in Waikiki, and we're starting with Diamond Head.
You've arrived at your destination.
This won't be a crazy long hike, but you are gonna feel it. Just arrived at Diamond Head. Quick heads up, you'll want to plan for this ahead of time. Entry is by reservation only, and you'll need to choose both a time slot and whether you want parking included. Tickets for entry are $5 and parking is $10.
Okay, here we go.
The trail is about 1.6 miles round trip with an elevation gain of roughly 500 to 560 feet. Most people take about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how often you stop, and trust me, you'll want to stop for the views.
Okay, yeah, it's pretty uphill climb. Ooh. Yeah, my calves are just on fire. You know, it's fine. No pain, no gain. Okay, I see the light.
This is why you start here.
I thought I was at the top, but I'm not at the top. It keeps going. It's just beautiful.
Diamond Head is also historically significant. In the early 1900s, it was used as a strategic military lookout. And as you hike, you'll pass old bunkers and tunnels that once were a part of Oahu's coastal defense system.
Love it. I know, I can't even imagine.
From the summit, you'll get a sweeping look over Waikiki, the coastline, and the Pacific. It really puts the island in perspective. And this view is exactly why it's the perfect place to start your adventure here in Waikiki. All right, we made it down from Diamond Head, and now we're slowing things down a bit, and we're gonna check out Kapiolani Park.
It was named after the Queen. It was originally here, like, I think 1877. For community gatherings, for stuff the Queen wanted, and now it's this huge park. So we're gonna check it out.
What makes this area even more special is it dates back all the way to the Hawaiian monarchy. King Kalakaua dedicated this land in the late 1800s and named it after Queen Kapiolani. When the park was established during the Hawaiian monarchy, it was actually used for things like horse racing and public celebrations. It wasn't a private royal garden. It was meant for the community. If for some reason you don't want to hike Diamond Head, this park gives you such a great view without having to climb. All right, I think after all that walking, it might be time for a little pick-me-up. So we're heading towards the beach, and of course that means walking right through the Waikiki shopping district.
So if you're in the mood for shopping, this is the perfect avenue. You got Louis Vuitton, you got Tiffany's, you got all the major brands.
Kalakaua Avenue has a mix of high-end stores, beachy boutiques, and beautiful hotels. Not only all that, you'll often find cultural events, live music, and family-friendly activities happening throughout the area. So like I said, we're looking for a little pick-me-up, so we're stopping here at the International Marketplace to do just that.
Cheers! it's perfect.
Oh, it's delicious.
¿De dónde salado?
Have a Mai Tai in Waikiki. Yes. All day. Let's do this.
That little break was exactly what we needed. Now we're heading down to the beach, but not before stopping to pay our respects to Duke Kahanamoku. Duke was an Olympic gold medalist swimmer and considered the father of modern surfing. He helped introduce surfing to the world. Not only that, he served as the sheriff of the city and county of Honolulu from 1932 to 1961. So he wasn't just an Olympic gold medalist and surfing legend, he was deeply involved in the local community and public service for decades. On our way to the next local hang, you'll never guess who I spotted.
You're not going to believe this, but I just spotted Santa on the beach. Let's go. I see Santa. Where's he going? Here he goes.
Who knew Santa vacations in Waikiki?
How cute! Oh, based on a childhood story by Fred Van Dyke, honoring Hawaiian values of love and respect. So here's the wall. This is what we saw from the top. We were like, oh, that looks so cool from Diamond Head. I was like, what is that? This is the wall.
This is what everyone calls the wall. It's basically a concrete breakwater that stretches out into the ocean. And over time, it's become a spot where people hang out, sit, and sometimes jump in.
But it's very, I mean, you can see to the bottom. Oh, look! Scuba Steve.
It is such a gorgeous spot here in Waikiki, but we gotta get going. We don't want to miss our Catamaran reservation. This was one of those activities we definitely felt it was worth spending money on.
So when in Waikiki, you gotta take a catamaran ride. All aboard. Here we go. They're moving. I'm sailing. I'm sailing. I need a life jacket on. It'd be much funnier. Do we have life jackets? Oh yeah.
Getting out on the water like this was easily one of the best parts of the day. Seeing Waikiki from the ocean just hits differently.
Wait. Oh yeah! I thought they were on that side because you guys were like staying there. There they are. Oh, that's gorgeous.
That was absolutely so much fun. I honestly loved every second of the catamaran ride. But like all good things, it had to come to an end. After all that, we definitely worked up an appetite. So let's go get something to eat. We started the day at Diamond Head and we're ending it at Duke's. Two icons of Waikiki, and honestly, it just feels right. Duke's is known for their oceanfront views, live music, and their famous hula pie.
Bottoms up, cheers to Waikiki. So of course, you gotta come to Duke's. Enjoy some food. I got the fish tacos, he got the ahi tacos. Let's dig in. These things are big though. They look amazing. I mean, it's like part of the fun of being in Waikiki. All right, ready? Oh, that's good. Oh wait, hold on. What am I doing? Guys, I'm so hungry. Like, I've been waiting for this. So hungry, I forgot to squeeze the lime. It's satisfying. It's a beautiful view. The staff is super nice, friendly, accommodating. Good food.
And did you think we would leave without having the Duke's famous hula pie? There's absolutely no way. Macadamia nut ice cream on a chocolate cookie crust, topped with hot fudge and whipped cream. It's huge, it's shareable, and it's kind of a must order when you're here.
We had to try this dessert. It's like all the reviews said you gotta get the hula pie. And I was like, okay, we're gonna get the hula pie. We have to have the hula pie. I don't know what this is, but this is amazing looking. It came out and I was like, what is that? It's like a shark fin. I don't know. A little bit of whipped cream, a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of nuts. Like macadamia nuts, okay. Holy shit. Oh gosh, the perfect end to a day in Waikiki. Love it.
Today turned out to be such a great day in Waikiki, from hiking Diamond Head to sailing out on the Catamaran and finishing here at Duke's. It really felt like a perfect way to experience this part of Oahu. If you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe button because we have more fun, travel, and food coming your way. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.